Hi, my name's Candice Ginger, and I am one of the Google Listing Specialists here at Biziq. This is 3 reasons why your Google My Business listing is important. As a small business owner, you might think if you're good at what you do, you don't need to be on Google. Unfortunately, this is the type of thinking that could be costing you customers. Here's why. Number 1. Over 50% of consumers search for local businesses online. 75% of them on Google. If you haven't verified your Google My Business listing, there's a good chance that you're not showing up when customers are searching for the products and services that you provide. Number 2. Your Google My Business listing is home to some of the most powerful and free online advertising available, your Google reviews. Close to 85% of people trust online reviews just as much as they would trust recommendations from friends and family. That's some pretty impressive word-of-mouth marketing. And finally, number 3. You might think that people will call you if they need directions to your business. Maybe, but most people over 50% will look you up online or use their smartphones and an app like Google Maps. And if you're not showing up in their search, how do they even know you exist? Biziq has helped over 20,000 small businesses get online. We can help you get verified and get on the map. Schedule your risk-free consultation with a Biziq local listings consultant today.